Are you frustrated with endless Windows Update errors? Whether you're stuck at star 8000, 0x800705b4 star, or some other error, don't worry. In this Ultimate 2025 guide, I'll walk you through all the working methods to fix the most common Windows Update issues step by step. No fluff, just solutions that work. Let's get started. These can be caused by corrupted system files, broken update services, antivirus interference, or missing update files. So let's fix them, one by one. Method 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Start with the simplest fix. Go Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Now click on Windows Update and run it. Windows will attempt to diagnose and automatically fix update-related issues. This often resolves issues like 0x800705b4 or 0x8024402f without any advanced steps. Method 2. Repair with SFC and DISM. If the troubleshooter didn't work, we'll now scan and repair your system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following. SFC/scan now. Wait for the scan to complete, then run DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. These commands fix corrupted or missing files that may be interfering with your updates. Method 3. Reset Windows Update components. Still facing issues? Let's manually reset the Windows Update services. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following one by one. net stop waywo serve net stop crypt ssc net stop bits, net stop MSI server nc/windows/software distribution.old nc windows system32/catroot2.old net start waywo serve net start crypt svc net start bits net start MSI server. This clears the corrupted update cache and rebuilds essential folders. Method 4. Temporarily disable antivirus or VPN. Sometimes your antivirus, firewall, or VPN can block updates from downloading or installing. Temporarily disable them, then retry the update. This especially helps with error codes like 0xc1900223 and 0x80070643. Method 5. Manually install the update. If a specific update keeps failing, here's a workaround. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog, www.archive.update.microsoft.com. Search the KB number of the update. Download the .msu file and double-click to install it manually. This avoids background update failures and works well for persistent errors. Method 6. Check time, date, and disk space. Make sure your system time and date are correct. Even a slight mismatch can break secure update connections. Also ensure at least 10 gigabytes of free disk space, especially when installing feature updates. If needed, run disk cleanup or delete old temporary files. Here's an extra fix for the error. You may need to temporarily disable your VPN or proxy, reset update services again, and restart your PC into safe mode to eliminate third-party interference. These are usually caused by network interruptions or DNS blocks. Bonus tips and preventing future errors. To avoid future update issues, always keep your drivers up to date. Clean up old update files regularly using StorageSense. Schedule updates during off hours to avoid interruptions. And if you frequently install major updates, consider enabling System Restore for rollback safety. And that's a wrap on fixing Windows Update errors in 2025. If this guide helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more pro-level Windows tutorials. Drop your error code in the comments below and let me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.